Saxon Phonics, Lesson 47, the letter Y. Echo these words: yes, yam, yet. What sound did you hear in the beginning of those? Yes, yam, yet. And what letter's making that sound? Y is the sound we hear in the beginning or initial position of these words. Yes, yam, yet. Y is the letter making that sound. Our new keyword for Y begins with Y. See if you can guess it. This is made of cotton or wool twisted into long strands. It is used to knit sweaters and weave cloth. It may be wound into balls that cats like to play with. What do you think it's called? Yarn. When you see this card, say yarn, y. The keyword yarn helps us remember the y sound because yarn begins with y. Go ahead and get your worksheet out and look at number 1. Number 1, ks, ks. X. Number 2, U, U. U and U consonant E. Number 3, O, 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 and O consonant E. Number 4, A, A. A. Number 5, A, 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 and A consonant E. Number 6, E, 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 and E, E. Number 7, W, W. W. Number 8, U. Number 9, D, D. D, and our suffix ed sounds like d. 10, I, and did you remember I consonant E? Go ahead and look at the next section and let's spell some words. Number 11, 6, 6. S, I, x. S, I, x. 6. Number 12, 1, 1. O-N-E, 1. Number 13, ya, ya. Y. Number 14, yes, yes. Y, s, y, s. yes. Number 15, you. You. Y-O-U spells you. Number 16, your. Your. Y. Your. Y-O-U-R spells your. Now look at the next section. Remember, we're not coding anymore. We're taking a break from that. But let's look at these words and see which word goes with the picture yank. Yank. The gardener yanked the plant out. Yank. Y-A-N-K. Which one do you think it is? Yes, number 19. Y-A-N-K. Ank. Now would you look for the word that says fifth? This boy is fifth in line. Fifth. Fifth. F-ith. Yes, number 23. F-ith. Go ahead and turn your paper over when you're done drawing the lines. Repeat each sentence after me. Dale is a stuntman. Stuntmen do lots of things. Dale must get in a lake and swim with a long snake. He must drop from a plane and land in the lake. Number 1. Dale is a... If you need to reread the paragraph to find out what the answer is, go ahead and do that now. Pause the video if you need more time to write. Number 2. Dale must swim with a long snake, swim to a plane, or drop on a long snake. If you don't remember the answer, reread that paragraph to find out. When you're finished filling in all the answers, practice your whys on the front and the back, and then submit your paper to your teacher.